Okay, I'm so sorry. I forgot to start recording, right? I'm sorry. So please, well, actually, we are going to start sharing my screen. Please pay attention. Okay, what do we have for today, guys? For today, we have this, but excuse me, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
No, oh yeah, okay,
Yes.
sorry. And Sherry?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, for today, that is Sunday 24th. Okay, so that means we continue working on the model number 1, unit 2B. Unit 2B, right? So that means we are going to finish the unit 2B. We have a reading and listening. We have in the quiz workbook. And the question for today, if you remember, the first question was, what's your name, for example? In the second day was, who are you? And today we have the question, what's your phone number? Well, that means we are going to identify different kinds of information related about yourself. Okay, so then we are going to practice the grammar about WH and how question will be. This is an interesting topic to improve your communication. So for example, we can say, hey, what's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? What's your telephone number? What's your email address? So that means all of this information today we are going to learn how to apply. Then we have the vocabulary from number 11 to 100. Then we have listening activities and writing and the ADI platform, wordboard activities, and the receives fixed minutes. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Pay attention about this because we are going to start for today. We have, well, some activities related about is 2A. 2A, wait a minute. Okay, so to review, if you remember yesterday, we were talking about the nationalities. And we practice different kinds of countries with their nationalities. And we say how important is to pronounce correctly or apply the pronunciation, because actually some words you need to apply the phonics. Yes? And then we practice the sounds for J, G, CH, SH, a sound, right? And we practice some activities related about countries and nationalities too. Then we practice the use about the verb to be with the subject pronouns I, we, you. No, we, you, and they. We, you, and they. That's mean the plural forms, right? We apply in positive, negative, and question. Then we complete those activities. And this morning, before the recess, we are going to complete this one, right? And this one. So that means we have 3 activities for this morning before the recess. Okay, what about this activity, guys? So we are going to start talking about this activity. This is about the reading comprehension, please. Okay, for this activity, guys, so we are going to listen first. We are going to listen first, but I'm going to use my PDF format because actually it's better. Because if you tell me, Mister, it's okay, we can see, no problem. Are you ready? What do you prefer? The ADI platform or the PDF? What do you prefer? Only to practice the reading comprehension. PDF. Okay, pay attention.
1.56.
Excuse me, are they free? Yes, please sit down. Thanks.
I'm Joe.
And I'm Jane. We're from Texas.
We're English. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you. Where are you from in the UK?
We're from London. London's a great city. Are you on holiday?
Yes, we are. Are you on holiday too? No, we aren't. We're on business. Are they your children?
Yes, they are. Say hello, children.
Hello.
Hello.
Brian, Lucy, stop it.
Look at the time. We're late.
Yes, nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, that's it clear? Excuse me, I need two students to practice the conversation between Jane and Rachel at the beginning, please. Joe, Jane, Rachel, and Charlie. I mean, two students, that's all. Okay, Kenya Kichimbo, thank you so much. Somebody else, please, quickly, because actually we need to practice the conversation in order to identify possible answer. Somebody else? Kenya and Salome, would you like to help me? Miss Ronquillo.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kenya. Oh, Leslie, for the next activity, right? For the second part, Leslie. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Please, Kenya and Miss Ronquillo.
But who I am?
Yeah, actually, you're Jane.
Okay.
Let's go.
A ver, ¿dónde empieza? Okay. Okay. Excuse me, are they free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thanks.
I'm George.
And I'm Jane. We're from Texas.
I read this part.
Leemos la parte 2.
Yes, well, listen to me. Actually, for time, so we are going to practice the dialogue only with two students, no more. That's right?
Okay.
Two students, that's okay, no problem. Okay, one more time, to be clear. Let's go.
Again?
Yeah, Kenya, you start.
Excuse me, are they free?
Salome.
Yes, please sit down.
Thanks.
I'm Joe.
I'm Jane. We're from Texas.
We're English. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I like your friendly way that you speak, Kenya. Salome, be friendly, right? So remember, smile, enjoy, imagine you're the person over there, right? Okay, Leslie and Scarlett, please. Number 2, could you practice remembering pair?
Where are you from in UK?
We are from London.
London's a great city. Are you on holiday?
Yes, we are. Are you on holiday too?
No, we aren't. We are a business.
We are on business, thank you.
A business.
Nayeli, Anai, please, number 3, let's go.
Are there your children?
Yes, they are. Say hello, children.
Right, Lucy es... Ah, no, eso no me tocaba, ¿verdad? Sí, right, Lucy, stop it.
Look at the time. We're late.
Yes, nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Okay, so when you read, guys, how important is to express your emotion in the conversation. I mean, imagine you are the person in the reading comprehension. So it's really important. That's why we call be friendly at the moment to speak. That means when the following meeting, the following week. So that means you are going to be friendly at the moment to have a communication. Excuse me, include when you say excuse me, is to catch people attention. Maybe you are reading and somebody say, excuse me, automatically you look the person. Remember, excuse me is to catch people attention. Excuse me, are they free? Yes, please sit down. Thanks. I'm Joe and I'm Jane. We are from Texas. We are English. I'm Charlie. Oh, I'm Ray. Nice to meet you. Where are you from in the UK? We are from London. London is a great city. Are you on holiday? Yes, we are. Are you on holiday too? No, we aren't. We are on business. Oh, are they your children? Yes, they are. Say hello, children. Hello. Ryan, Lucy, stop it. Oh, look at the time. We are late. Yes, nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. You know, that is why we call friendly. Be friendly. So enjoy the moment that you are practice the conversation. Okay, guys, it's time to ask question. Leslie, do you have a question? Do you have a question? Your hand is raised. No?
No.
Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. It's time to practice the reading comprehension because actually in this activity we have to identify what about the possible answer that you could identify. For example, where are Jane and Joe from? Are Charlie and Rachel American? Are Charlie and Rachel on holiday? Are Jane and Joe on holiday too? Are Jane and Joe late? Okay, please have a look and tell me, did you identify where are Jane and Joe from? Okay, have a look and tell me, where are Jane and Joe from? That's me. If you say where, it's because you are looking for the place. What is the answer for where are Jane and Joe from?
They are from Texas.
That's right, because they say we are from Texas. That's right. So this is the way that you can scan information in order to identify them. Number two, are Charlie and Rachel American?
No, they aren't.
Okay, where are they from?
They are from
We are
London.
English.
They
England.
are English. That's right. Oh, we are English. Why? Because you say I'm Charlie and I'm Rachel. So they are Charlie and Rachel American? Answer
they
correctly.
they aren't.
No, they aren't. Where are they from?
They are from English.
Yeah, but
They are
English is the
from
nationality.
They are from England.
English is correct or the United Kingdom?
They are from UK
Excuse me?
or London, I
Oh,
think.
it's England.
England. Remember, yesterday we say something about that. United Kingdom. England is in the United Kingdom. And the nationality for the United Kingdom is
British.
But the nationality for people from England is
English.
English. You know the difference? O sea, England is part of the United Kingdom, but England is the country, okay? Okay, next question. Remember, they aren't American, they are English. Okay, are Charlie and Rachel on holiday? Have a look to the second image. Okay, are Charlie and Rachel on holiday?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Who say yes, we are? Who say yes, we are?
Rachel.
Rachel said, yes, we are. Yes, we are. That's correct. Okay, the next one. Are Jane and Joe on holiday too? Diego.
No, they are.
No, they aren't. Why? Why?
Because Jane say no, we are.
Exactly. Jane say, no, we aren't. They are?
On business.
On business. You got it. And the last one say, are Jane and Joe late? Are Joe and Jane late? What is the reason that you say, oh, yes, teacher, why? Tell me why.
Yes, they are because Joe say, look at the time, we are late.
Exactly. I'm sorry. That's me. She said, look at the time. We are late. That is a reason to say that Jane and Joe are late. It was clear? Hello, everybody. Tell me, it was clear?
Yes.
Excellent. Let's go one more time. Where are Jane and Joe from? Where are Jane and Joe from? Cesar, where are Joe and Jay from?
They from Texas.
Texas. Where, I'm sorry, are Charlie and Ray, excuse me, I'm confused. Where is Texas? Is it
In
England?
what?
Is Texas in England?
No.
No.
It is in United States.
No, it isn't. It's
No,
in the United States. Okay, good. Are Charlie and Rachel on holiday?
no, no. They in on business.
Really? Sylvia, your partner say that Charlie and Rachel are on business, is correct?
Excuse me?
Your partner say that Charlie and Rachel are on business, is correct?
Yes.
Yes? Scarlett, you move your head side by side, why?
It's incorrect because Charlie and Rachel, they are a holiday.
That's right. So they are on holiday. Who are on holiday? Jane
Charlie.
and Joe. They are on business. They are on business, right? Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Good participation. Please, the next one, pay attention. Okay. Volunteers. Is your volunteers? Good. You got a bonus, right? Okay. Tell me, is Javier Bardem Mexican? Do you know him? No? Well, no?
No.
It's a
No,
producer.
teacher.
It's a producer. He come from Canarian Island. He was born Canarian Island. What is this country where you maybe heard about Canarian Island? Where is located Canarian Island?
In Spain.
Exactly. So is Javier Bardem Mexican?
No, he isn't.
Right. Where is he from?
Because he is from Spain.
He's from Spain. Congratulations. Good answer. Following question. Are Toyotas, you know Toyotas is a brand, right? Are Toyotas Chinese? Toyotas. Are Toyotas Chinese?
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Wait. Toyotas is in plural and the verb to be is are.
No, they aren't.
Good. No, they aren't. Where is Toyota from?
They are from Japan.
That's right. They are
They're
from
from
Japan. They are from Japan. Have you heard about Linz? Is Lynn German? Lynn, this rabbit inside has a sweet product. It's color brown, What is this? What kind of product is this? It's sweet,
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
okay, but chocolate has 3 syllables. The correct one is chocolate. Chocolate, 2 syllables. No chocolate. Chocolate. Repeat.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Is Lynn German?
Oh, he isn't.
No, it isn't. Where is it from?
They are from Swiss.
They are Swiss or is Swiss. You know, Switzerland. Oh my goodness, the most difficult question for this beautiful lady. Is Adele English?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
No.
Where is she from?
She is from England.
She's from England. Where was she born?
She was born in England.
In England. She was born in England, but what city town does she come from?
She was born in London.
London? Tottenham. Tottenham, England. She was born in Tottenham. Okay, good. Thank you. Remember how important is to know. You know now that Javier Bardem is from Spain, Toyota comes from Japan, Lynn is Swiss, and Adele is from England. And she speaks French. Excuse me. What is the main language? What is the main language in England? French? Is it French?
English.
It's English. That's right. Okay, guys. So remember, so we have 30 minutes. Okay, so it's time for quizzes. Vamos a comenzar las actividades. Son 3 actividades que tenemos para esta mañana. Rapidito, voy a dejar de compartir hasta las 10. Por favor, para salir paso a paso y no acumularnos el trabajo. Ok, vamos rapidito. Perdón, durante este espacio voy a hablar algo de español. Puedo hablar español, español inglés o español español. Ok, wait a minute. Vamos a activar las 3 lecciones que teníamos pendientes, así que me regalan unos minutitos. Okay, guys. Okay. Please have a look. Actually, I'm going to show what about the activity that you have to do. Well, actually, you are going to do only 2 activities. There aren't 3, only 2. This is the activity. So what do you have to do? Complete the conversation, use contraction where it's possible. Remember, if you have problem with the apostrophe, just copy and paste. You know what I mean? Sorry. You know what I mean? So copy and paste the apostrophe. Es lo que les he dicho para que no se compliquen y no tengan problemas con el apóstrofe. Don't forget to use capital letter at the beginning. Don't forget to use capital letter at the beginning, only at the beginning, right? Okay, please. Great. Empezamos. Leslie, I suppose this is about because you are doing the activities on your phone, right? Maria Valareso, Natalie Tutiven, please turn on your camera. Hey guys, the second activity is available. Remember, you have only until, or you have no more than 10 minutes. Please remember, there are only 2 activities, right? There are 2 activities. Lo que les dije ayer, refresque la página para que le actualice la segunda actividad, que son las 2 únicas, antes de irnos a la siguiente hora. Okay, guys, please, if you have finished, give me a like or thumb your up, please. Thumb up if you finish. You have 3 minutes. Okay, Anna, do you finish both activities? Yeah, thank you. Very good. Three minutes, please. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Nayeli, have you finished? No. Okay. Kenya, have you finished? Good. Please. Michael, have you finished?
Yes, Mr. I finished.
Okay, good. Cesar, have you finished?
Yes, yes.
You can say yes, yes, I have, yeah. Denise, have you finished? Good.
Implica que ella dice que yo no sé.
Michael, you're not, you're Michael. Okay. Time's over. Time's over, guys, please. Thumb up if you finish, because actually you have some seconds to finish. Good, very good. Diego finished, Denise finished, very good. Okay. Time's up, time's over, please. Okay, thank you. Very good, Scarlett. Scarlett, good. Okay, thank you. With these activities, we finished the unit number 1 and unit number, wait a minute, 2A. In the following hour, we are going to try to finish the unit 1B. Let's go. Pay attention because it's not difficult. But actually, in this unit, we are going to learn, I think, a lot of vocabulary. Please pay attention. Okay. Can you see? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, what is the heating? What is the heating on 2B? Cesar, what is the heating on 2B?
Mm,
The heating in red, el encabezado.
Ah, what's your phone number?
Okay, remember, it's a question. What's your phone number? Oh, X01 13 40 49 66 792. Wow, so that means we are going to practice numbers, right? Okay, but before this, about what's your phone number on 2B, we are going to practice this small read. This is about an online conversation. Yes, so that means this conversation, imagine I need two students to practice. This information is about Sally Shores, 48 minutes. Oh, at the part of Saturday, great time. So good. Okay, this is about Sally Post. I need to volunteer, please, to practice this information. Michael, can you help me? Can you help me? Oh, no, Michael, no, because actually you are going to find information about ladies, not for men. Okay, I'm sorry. Kenya, very good. Nayeli, would you like to practice, please? Can you practice this small conversation? Monica, no, Monica's getting entered. Okay, Kenya, and Nayeli, please. Oh, sorry. Kenya and Scarlett, they are volunteer. ¿Ya? Si yo llamo a un estudiante y de pronto hay voluntarios, mucho mejor. Para mí, prioridad, porque son los que desean participar. Si ya después de ello, llamo a lo siguiente, ya que siempre he dicho, esto es por iniciativa propia y eso es importante para mí. Ok, in this case, Kenya posts the information. Scarlett is reading the information, right? So you reply information. Are you ready? So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Scarlett, you start.
At the park on Saturday. Great times.
For Kenya.
Oh,
Yeah. Remember, that's the Kenya post. So that means you are going to read information related about Kenyans that she posted before, right? Let's go.
nice photo. Who is he?
Adam, he is my brother.
Whoa, she is a very good looking. How old is he?
He's 26.
He is married?
No, he isn't.
Okay, good, but Scarlett, have a look to this information. If you say that's one, is how old is not who. Yes, why? I want you improves every day and identify every WH in order to ask the question correctly, right? Scarlett, very good. So how old is he? How old is he? Is he married? No, he is married. It's a question. Remember, when you ask the question, the auxiliary is at the beginning. Is he married? Would you like to practice one more time? Please, let's go. Kenya, Scarlett, 1, 2, 3.
Nice photo. Who is he?
Adam, he's my brother.
Whoa, he is a very good looking. How old are you? How old is he?
He is 26.
Is he married?
No, he isn't.
Wow, this is good. And now, for third time, you are practicing again. Actually, what I mean, so you are going to use your English. Nice photo. Who's he? Oh, Adams. Period. Stop. Adams. He's my brother. Wow. He is very good looking. How old is he? Because you are interested. Scarlett, you are interested. Wow, he's very good looking. How old is he? He's 26. Is he married? No, he isn't. Remember, be friendly, be part of the conversation, right? It's not only to read. 1, 2, 3.
Nice photo. Who is he?
Adam, he's my brother.
Wow, he is a very good looking. How old is he?
He's 26.
Is he married?
No, he isn't.
Great. You know the difference? This is what I'm looking for. Got it? Okay, good. Volunteer. Michael, please can tell me what is his name? What is his name?
His name is Adams.
Okay, have a look. Have a look. At the moment to answer, Michael say, I ask him, what is his name? And he say, his name is Adam. Is Adam, right? Is Adam. Okay, this is correct. His name is correct. If you say he is Adam, he's Adam, both are correct. Both are correct. What is his name? He's Adam. Oh, his name is Adam, right? Okay, good, Mr. Excellent. Michael, his name is Adam. Okay, when you say age, it's about old, and there is a question that you can ask for age. How old is he? How old is he? Have a look. I asked him this question. How old is he? How old is he? Okay. Let's go. Another students. Go for Crystal. How old is Adam?
26.
Yeah,
He's
but remember,
26.
remember. So at the moment to ask in this day, so we are learning in long form. How old is Adam? You say 26. Your answer is good, but you can improve this. So use the subject, the verb, and the age, right? How old is Adam?
He is 26.
He's 26. He is 26. That's perfect. About marital status. Kelly, is he married or single?
No, he isn't married, no single.
Yeah, have a look. My question was, wait a minute. My question was, is he married or single? It's simple. This answer is not difficult. Is he or is? I use he because actually we know we are talking to Adam, okay? Is Adam married or single? First of all, this is a yes/no question. What is the answer? Yes or no? Is Adam married or single?
No, he isn't.
Exactly. No, he isn't. Period. He is. He is single. Exactly. That's the correct. Do not confuse. Sigamos los parámetros que les voy enseñando y solito se les va adaptando el inglés. Eso quiere decir que va a ser fácil para ustedes comunicarse. Is Adam married or single? Oh, no, he isn't. He's single. Well, in the future, when your English is fluent and somebody asks you, is Adam married or single? Oh, he's single. This is good. Single is good, right? But in this day, when you are learning this beautiful language, so that means use the long form. Then you can use contraction. Then you can omit information. And then you are going to use a specific information. But in this day, apply what I'm learning. Okay. Is he married? Is he married or single? Somebody help me.
No, he isn't. He is single.
Is single. Very good. Excellent. So that means that information was about the reading comprehension, guys. Okay. Remember. Oh, excuse me. Who's he? Open your microphone. This is a free talk. Who's he?
He is Adam.
Okay. How old is Adam? How old is Adam?
He's
He's
26
26.
years.
Good. Is he married or single?
No, he is single.
No. Do not confuse. Do not confuse. Is Adam married or single? No, he isn't. He's single. This information doesn't, okay. Why not okay? Pay attention. Because actually, you have two options. Two options. Option one, option two. If I say, is Adam, pay attention, is Adam married? In this case, your answer is perfect. No, he isn't. No, he isn't. He's single. Why is correct? Because actually you are looking for the status marital of Adam only once. But my question was this. My question was, is Adam married or single? What's the correct? Okay, you, what's the correct? Is Adam married or single? Directly.
He's single.
He's single.
That's correct. That's correct. You know? Okay, is Adam married or single?
He's single.
He's single.
Is Adam married?
No, he
No,
isn't.
he isn't.
He is single.
No,
Is Adam married?
No, he
No,
isn't.
he isn't.
He's single.
He is single.
Perfect. Is Adam single?
Yes, he is.
Yes,
Yes.
he is. That's
Yes,
correct.
he is.
That's correct. Excellent. Very good. Let's go to the next part, guys. So remember, these activities what we are going to do after recess, not right now. Okay. Have a look to the following information because we are going to practice. Listen the conversation. Sorry, let me change this one. Okay, wait a minute. I forgot. Okay. 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 That's is to be. It's available for you guys. Please refresh your page and tell me this available for you. This activity is about. Oh, sorry. This is the questionnaire. No, we are going to practice the questionnaire in this case after recess. Not right now. Not right now. Okay. Are you ready? This is the grammar, WH, and how question will be. This is available. This is available for you. Okay, have a look to this part, please. I say, look, this is the WH questions, right? WH questions. Okay, have a look. If I ask you, who is Mr. Rodriguez? Who's Mr. Rodriguez? Who's Mr. Rodriguez?
He is a teacher.
My teacher.
He is the teacher. Pay attention, please. That's not difficult. Who's Mr. Rodriguez? He's a teacher. If I ask you, who is Daniel Novoa? Who's Daniel Noboa?
He is the president.
He is president.
Is the president. The president of Costa Rica, the United States.
Of Ecuador.
Ecuador.
Ecuador. That's correct. Ecuador. Is it clear? Okay, pay attention. If you say, who is, whose, at the moment to speak, you can make contraction. At the moment to speak, not to write. Who's Mr. Rodriguez? He's a teacher. If you ask the question with who, it's because you are looking for the person. So when you ask the question with who, you are looking for people. Who's Daniel Noboa? Ah, he's the president of Ecuador. With who you ask to know about people. That's correct? Is it clear? Remember, WH use who. When you use who, it's because you want to recognize people. Hello? When you say Daniel Noboa is the president of Ecuador, if I ask you, where is Ecuador? Where is Ecuador? Where is Ecuador located? Where is Ecuador located?
It's
Ecuador
located.
is located in the middle of the world.
Yeah, it's located. It's located or directly. It's in South America. It's located in South America. It's in South America. It's in South America. So that's mean, if you look carefully, when you use where, it's because you're looking where? You're looking for? Hey, what are you looking for? We were. Look.
Place.
South America.
Okay, look at me. If you ask the question with who, you're looking for people. But if I ask you we were, I'm looking for people too? No.
No.
What is South America? You're looking for?
A place.
Exactly, for places. Yes. If I say, where are you from? Where are you from? If I say, where were you born? Where were you born? Oh, I was born in Guayaquil. Excuse me. When you ask we were, you are looking for places. That's correct. If I say, when is your birthday? Hey, that's a difference. When you ask, when, pay attention. When is your birthday? It is in April. It is in April. But what will happen if I want to introduce the day? Oh, I say it's on April 19. What is the difference? When you introduce, or at least if you are going to use where, you use when, sorry, when you refer for time. For time. Remember, for time, you use when. take care. Okay, and take care, because if you are going to mention only the month of the year, use in. If you use the month of the year plus a day, introduce on. Is it clear? Guys,
Yes, teacher.
do not copy. Do not copy. I'm going to share this word for you at the end of the class. Got it? Okay, one more time. When you use who to recognize
People.
people, when you use where to recognize
Places.
places, when you use when to recognize
Time.
time. But in English, we have the WA, the most useful or the most used WA, that is what. And when you use what, that is for general information. Why? Because actually, you use this when you refer for a lot of kind of information, right? Have a look. For example, I say, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Okay, this is the possessive. What is the possible answer here? What is the possible answer? What is your name?
My name is.
Okay, you say my name, or you can say for example, Anaí, and Jimmy, and Nayeli, and Scarlett, etc. Remember, so that's mean if you ask, what is your name? It's another form that you can use for name. Mister, if I say, who are you? That's perfect. That's perfect. ¿Sí? Entonces, como estamos trabajando con el verbo to be, solo lo voy a dejar solo con verbo to be por ahora. So, where are you? You from? Where are you from? Yeah. Oh, I'm from, para no variar ni cambiar el contexto de la clase. I'm from Guayaquil. Okay. Entonces, what's your name? So when you use what? Almost, I told you, is the most useful at the moment to ask question. And you use this when you refer for different things. What's your name? I'm Anaí. Who are you? I'm Anaí. So both questions are related for name. But it's only for name? No. If I say, for example, what is your telephone? Your telephone number. What's your telephone number? Mister, is it possible to use contraction in a question? Yes. But when you use contraction, for example, you say, what is your telephone number? Okay, in this case, it's possible to make a contraction. What's your telephone number? Both are correct. If somebody asks you, what's your telephone number? It's good. What is your telephone number? It's good too. Both are correct, right? But when you are going to make a contraction, for example, if you say, for example, you say, who's Daniel Novoa? If you say, for example, who's he? Is this correct? Daniel Novoa is the subject. Have a look. Daniel Novoa is the subject. And the subject pronoun is the same. If you want to make a contraction, in this case, you say, Who's Daniel Novoa? This is correct? No, it's not correct. When the subject is at the end, it's better to say in long form. Who's Daniel Novoa? Don't say who's he. No, use who's he. So that's mean use long form, especially when you use the subject pronoun at the end. No make contraction. But mister, is it possible to say Ecuador located in contraction? Yes. Hey, where is Ecuador located? Where's Ecuador located? This is okay. But actually, because this information is the only one, so that means you have extra information. It can make contraction when you say, hey, in this case, we're, no, never. With the verb to be or, don't ask contraction with a W equation, never, right? Never. When is your birthday? Is it possible to make contraction, guys? It's possible to make contraction. Remember, Daniel Novoa, who's he? When's your birthday? When is your birthday? Is correct. What's your name? In this case, we can make contraction. What's your name? What's your name? This is correct. This is correct. What's your telephone number? Okay. Guys, is it clear? Is it clear? Or do you have any questions?
It's clear.
Excellent. Okay. What about the answer for what's your telephone number? Well, actually, at the moment to answer, hey, what's your telephone number? You have to say X. X. X 09989600065. X 09989600065. Mister, but you say 00. Exactly. But you remember my class at the beginning when I say, hey, American, British, change sometimes the pronunciation, because actually the number is 0. But you, at the moment to speak, you can say 0 or you can say 2. Oh. Which is better? Oh. Oh. Hey, somebody asked me the question about my phone number. In English, not in Spanish. What's your phone number? What's your telephone?
What's your telephone number?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Marino. It's 09989600065. Mister, but it's a good idea to pronounce one by one. Well, you can pronounce 2 by 2. But the 0 or the O at the beginning is O, it's individual. It's 09989600065. It's up to you. You depends. It's up to you at the moment to give number. British prefer to say, oh, it's 09989600065. Or you say, Michael Atariguana, what's your telephone number?
096992499.
Yeah, but remember, X.
It's
okay.
I hear it, sir.
Oh, I couldn't hear you. But excuse me, this is a regular phone? This is a regular phone? That's a regular phone?
Yes.
No, that's a cell phone. That's a cell phone.
This is a cell phone.
Exactly, this is a phone number. That's a phone number. But mister, is it correct to say the telephone number? Well, in general, you can ask. It doesn't matter if you ask for telephone number or regular phone number. In general, you say, what's your telephone number? Oh, it's 09989600065. It's 04240525847. That's a regular phone number. That's a cell phone number, and this is a regular phone number. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Please, sir,
don't forget.
but
Can
please,
you,
sir, I have a question.
of course, tell me.
If I answer more specific answer, I can say what what is my telephone number? I
Yeah,
can
yeah. If you say, what's your phone number? Well, telephone number.
and I can answer my cell phone number. It's 00996924.
Yeah, but this is okay. But actually, remember what I said at the beginning. When somebody asks a question, never reply information from the question. It's not a good idea. It's not customary to say that. If somebody, you travel to the United States and you're going to check in a hotel and they are going to ask for a telephone number, you say, what's your telephone number? What's your phone number? And this way, you can be specific in the question. What's your phone number? What's your cell phone number? Do you have regular phone number? And the question is perfect. But at the moments to answer, never say that. Never reply information from the question. What's your telephone number? What's your cell phone number? Oh, my cell phone number is, oh, no. What's your cell phone number? Directly. It sounds better. What's your cell phone number? X099896065. In English, is the best option. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Mister, you that asked me the question, is it clear what I said?
Yes, Mr. It's clear.
Yeah, but remember, is customary to use information from the question? No, directly. What's your cell phone number? X099896065. Or individual one by one, X099896065. Or in pair, 099896065. You got it. Mister, is it correct to say 099899665? It doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound good. It's 099896065. It sounds better. Or one by one. Remember, what is the difference? Your cell phone. What's your cell phone number? If somebody asks you, what's your telephone number? If you provide your cell phone number or your regular phone number, both are correct. You got it. But actually, nowadays, to provide regular phone number is not customary. People use cell phone. That's the best way to connect people immediately. Okay, thank you. So we have another way to say, I'm sorry, to ask what? Yeah. For example, if I say, what's your email address? What's your email address? Okay, remember, that's for general.
Tira agua, si te vas a meter en la
Allow your
ducha, porque pusieron
microphone,
limpiaron, pero igual tira agua.
Pues,
No
okay.
sale eso completo.
Nayeli, your microphone. Natalie, sorry, Natalie, your microphone. Okay. Okay, so that's me. What's your email address? Some students confused at the moment to provide email address. What's your email address? Scarlett, what's your email address? It's
Scarlett Pernegüille or 5.
okay.
No sé cómo escribir el arroba.
Arrobita is correct.
Arrobita Gmail.
Okay.
.com. I don't know.
Arroba doesn't exist. But Scarlett, thank you so much. I'm going to provide my email address, my personal email address. This is Gianrocas automatically. Is Gianroca at The pronunciation of arroba is at, right? At. Look, this sounds like that, no period, and com. xyenrocas@com. xyenrocas@outlook.com. Okay, Scarlett, what's your email address?
It's Scarlett Bernewille or 5@gmail.com.
Excellent, Scarlett, great. Marino, what's your personal email address?
My personal email is marino.cantos. .com. Yes, .cantos. I don't know how to say arroba, excuse me.
Y recién lo dije, Marino. Hay que estar atentos. Okay, listen to me, Marino. Listen to me. When you provide email address, you need to remember this, that you say arroba, the sound is at. And this period over here is like dot. The period in an email address is .com. Got it? Okay. You have, all the students in class have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And 30 seconds, you are going to have clear your email, your personal email address. Let's go. 30 seconds. I'm gonna call any student here.
I got it, sir.
Good, very good. Keep in your mind your email address. Got it? Excellent. Kenya, you want to be volunteer? Kenya. Kenya.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. What's your email address?
It's Kenya.10 at gmail.com.
Okay, in English?
Hmm?
In English? When they say in English, I mean, please, fluent. Like when you speak in Spanish, normal, in English too. Okay, X, for example, Mr. Rodriguez, what's your email address? Or xyenroca@outlook.com. The sounds. Let's go. One more time, Kenya.
Right.
What's your email address?
It's Kenya.10 at gmail.com.
Excellent, excellent. Daniela, what's your email address?
What my address?
Yeah, remember what I said. When somebody asks you the question, what's your email address? Don't reply the question directly. X.
What's your email address? Is Rocas at outlook.com.
Daniela, that's my
Yes.
personal email address. Your email address.
What do you say? Arroba.
At. Remember.
Entonces, ya, por example, Daniela Martillo, 18 at gmail.com.
Chicos, necesito que estemos en clases presentes. O sea, veo que a dos lo he cogido fuera de base. Por favor. Es que, ¿por qué les digo esto, chicos? Porque ustedes saben que al final tienen un examen y ahí no hay el espacio para la duda. Por eso tenemos que ir despejando todas estas situaciones en el camino. Tratemos de estar muy pendientes de lo que les estoy explicando. Sí, yo sé que a veces tenemos otras cositas que hacer, pero esto también es demandante, ¿sí? Gracias, Daniela. Ok. Cory, what's your email address?
It's coryreyes@gmail.com.
Gmail.com. .com. Very good. Okay.
Mister,
Thank you. Sylvia, what's your email address?
It's Ciely1301@outlook.com.
That's correct, but I actually remember in English at the moment to speak, you have a second choice at the moment to use 0. Oh, 3. It sounds better. At the moment to speak, it sounds much better. 3. That's correct. Would you like to practice one more time?
Okay.
Let's go.
It's Ciely1301@outlook.com.
Very good. It sounds much better. Marino, the last student, what's your email address?
it's marino.cantos@gmail.com.
Okay, sounds better. It sounds better, right? If you say .com, that's good. But you say dot, that's mean period. That's mean period. In the first one, period, and the last one, dot. Right? Got it. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? It was clear?
I have a question.
Yeah.
The point that you say .com is .com or @com?
No, dot com.
.com. THA.
Repeat again.
THA.
Yeah, but this is not for writing. It's only to speak.
No, I know
Yeah,
that this is the pronunciation.
Exactly. It's like this, like dot.
Right.
Yeah,
.com.
And the
All right.
arroba is at.
Oh, no, I know. I got it.
Very good. So that means at the moment to speak, this is really useful to have a communication, right? Okay, so that's mean what's your email address. So we have what's your name, what's your cell phone numbers, what's your email address, etc. Okay, have a look to this part, guys. Okay, wait a minute. Sorry, wait. Oh no, this is not here. Okay.
Mister,
Yeah,
Mister, I have a question.
of course.
If I have a dot or a point before the at, we have to say that also.
Yeah, actually at the end, when you conclude the email address, that is like a rule for sounds, .com. So you can use Gmail, you can use Outlook, you can use any mail address. .com conclude the idea.
I said before of at the arroba.
At is before.
Excuse me, can I speak in Spanish, please?
Yeah, okay, let's go. Don't tell me.
Cuando tengo, por ejemplo, mi correo es marino.cantos. ¿Cómo lo digo? Marino.
Marino, period. That's a period. It's not customary to say .cantos@gmail.com. El dot normalmente es como una conclusión del correo.
¿Y yo cómo lo digo para decirlo en mi correo marino? O sea, digo, marino.cantos.
That's a period. Marino, period. ¿Sí?
Period.
That's
Okay.
period.
Okay.
That's okay.
Teacher, question.
Yeah.
Y guión bajo, ¿cómo se dice ahí?
This is hyphen. Yes, the hyphen.
Entonces sería X, Kevin Suárez, Einstein, Sánchez, at live .com, así.
.com.
Yeah.
¿Ya?
Y
Okay,
en el
teacher.
caso, perdón, y en el caso de que sea la línea medio, que sería middle term.
No, perdón. En el caso del guión es hyphen. Hay un término para el guión bajo. Pero el guión principal, el del centro, es hyphen. Me lo voy a dejar como tarea el guión bajo. Y eso se los voy después del receso, ¿ya? Casi no usamos, pero igual lo voy a repasar. ¿Listo? ¿Estamos claros hasta ahí, chicos? Yeah, very good.
Yeah, teacher.
Let's go. Okay, so that means this is for who, what, where, when, how are, and how old. How old, you know, is for age. How old are you? How old is he? That's correct. So that means that's information about the WH is very important to recognize when we use that. So how are you? Hey, what about how are you? Do not confuse, pay attention. If you say, for example, you say, how are you? How are you? It's looking for feelings. Oh, you say, oh, mister, I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of tired. When you say, how are you? You're looking for state or feeling, right? So that's mean, how are you? I'm kind of tired. Why? Because yesterday I was watching TV the all night. Yesterday I went to a party. You got it. So how are you? Ask for feeling. Do not confuse. You say, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? This is not for feeling. Who are you? Ask for people. Who are you? Oh, I'm Jimmy. I'm Jimmy. Do not confuse. This is how are you? And I'm sorry. Sorry. This is who. Who are you? Who is for people. Remember, who for people. Who are you? I'm Jimmy. How are you? I'm fine. I'm great. I'm energetic. I'm kind of tired. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm blue. Is it clear? Mister, what is the meaning blue? When you say I'm blue, and when you feel a little depressed, that's mean you are not good. You feel bad. I'm blue, right? Okay. Curly, how are you?
I'm very happy.
Good. Miss Ponce, who are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Who are you?
I'm sorry. I'm Sylvia.
Good. Remember, do not confuse. Maybe at the beginning it's a little confused, but if you practice and practice, you are going to understand easily the question, right? Good, guys. Is it clear? Hello, is it clear? Yeah?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Let's go over here. So we are going to practice another activities. Guys, so we have 20 minutes. Please. WH and how question will be. To confirm, Daniel, if you look in the answer, John Smith, what is the correct WH to identify people?
Who?
Daniela.
Who is he?
Exactly. Who's he? John Smith. So that's mean if you are going to find names people, who? Excuse me, can I use contraction with who is he? Can I use contraction? Can I say, I say in order to speak fast, I can say, who's he? Is correct? Hello, is correct to say who's he?
Correct.
Correct.
Incorrect.
Why is incorrect?
It's correct.
No, it's correct. No, it's correct. Why not? Because actually, when you have the subject at the beginning, at the end, never use contraction. Never. If you say, for example, when is your birthday? When's your birthday? Actually, you have extra information. You can use this. When's your birthday? When's your birthday? You can use here when the subject, remember, when the subject is directly, never. But in this case, if you have extra information like this, you can say, when's your birthday? When's your birthday?
In contraction.
And contraction is correct? Yeah, do not confuse.
Yes.
Do not confuse. Do not confuse. Right? Remember, so try to use the long form only when you have extra information. I mean, in this case, you can use this. For example, if I say, how old are you? I can make contraction.
No.
No.
No, because the last one is the subject pronoun. If I ask you, what's your email address? Is correct? What's your email address? Make a contraction?
Yes, it's correct.
It's correct. It's correct. That's correct. When you got the subject pronoun at the end, don't use that. Don't use contraction. Right? Okay. So what about if I say on Saturday? What is the WA for Saturday? That is the time. We have.
When.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What's the correct question? Yeah. Ask the question.
When is the concert?
When is the concert? Or you say or for age. What's the correct?
How?
Ask the question.
How old
is me?
How old is Emily?
Okay, if you say from, what's the correct? Identify the subject. Are.
No.
Is. Where is she from?
Where is she from?
Exactly. The next one, identify the subject. You, what's the correct?
All.
Are or all? All. And where is the verb to be?
Are is are.
How are you? What?
Is.
What is it? That's correct?
Yes.
Let's go. Congratulations. Excellent. Second times. The last activity. Okay. Let's go. Identify what is the WH. Number one. Tell me.
What is your phone number?
What
is your phone number?
Your phone number. Your phone number. That's correct. Number two.
How old is he?
How
old is he? Is he?
Is he?
How old is he? Number three.
When is the lesson?
When is the English lesson?
When is
the English
lesson? Number four.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Okay. Number five.
Who is?
Who is
Who is
in room
in room 6?
Who is six?
Say rule 6. Okay, now please, everybody, all of you, tell me the question number 1. Question, no sentence.
What is your phone number?
What is your phone number?
Okay, wait a minute. Mister, is it correct if I say, what's your phone number? It's better. Because when you use contraction, remember, not for writing, for speak, it sounds better. Because actually the link, when you leave the sound is different. You get fluent. Hey, what's your phone number?
What's
It's
your phone
different
number?
to say, what is your phone number?
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number? One more
What's
time,
your
question
phone-
number 1.
What's your phone number?
What
What's
is your phone
What's your
number?
What is your phone number?
What's your phone
Remember,
number?
What's your phone number?
use contraction. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? One more time.
What's your
What's
phone
your
number?
phone number?
Number 2.
How old is
How
he?
old
How
is
old
he?
is he?
Oh, all is here.
How old is he? How old is he? Okay, number 3.
When is
When
When
is the
is the
English
English
lesson?
lesson?
Number 4.
Hello.
Hello,
How
how
are
are you?
you? Hello, how are you?
Yeah. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Right? Number 5.
Who is in
Who
room?
is
Who is room
room
in 6?
Room 6.
Question number 6.
Where are the children?
Where are the children?
Excellent. Where are the children? Score? Great. Oh my goodness. What's up? Who's in room 6? What's the problem? Show the answer.
Is who is
In.
in room
In
6?
room 6.
Yes.
Right? In room 6. Okay. Does it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Vámonos a avanzar un poquito más, en este caso con las lecciones para que no se nos acumulen y vamos a avanzar un poquito más. ¿Les parece? Lo que alcancemos para ganar un poco más de espacio. Ok, vamos a empezar. A medida que las vaya habilitando, empiécelas. Ya habilité una, ya voy a colocar solo la hora, hasta las 11. Empiece, por favor. Refresque la página. Me avisa si ya está, por favor. Me avisan, por favor. ¿Está habilitada? Aproveche. Ya, refresque la página ahorita. Refresque la página, por favor. Para ganar tiempo, chicos. Tenemos 10 minutitos y quiero aprovecharlos. Me indican. Me indica si está habilitada.
Yes, mister.
Ya, ok, thank you. Empiecen, por favor. Voy a habilitar la segunda. Solo hasta las 11 porque tenemos el receso. Actually, you are doing the first activity. The second activity that is about the WH. So you have to complete. This is the second activity. The second, not the current activity. This is the second. So you need to identify what is the correct WH for this according to the answer, right? Remember, use the correct, draw as many times do you consider necessary. Okay, this is the second activity, not the first. The first you are doing. Hey guys, the last activities before recess is this. The same, just draw according to the information. For example, that's the email address. What is the correct? You say what? For example, what's your email address? Your name, remember, so we say, if you need to repeat what twice, 3 times, use what as many times. Pueden repetirlo porque son de arrastrar solamente, ¿sí? Son actividades muy sencillitas. Esta es la última, refresque la página para que les aparezca. Ok, chicos. In total, 3 activities, no more. Please, guys, remember it's not available. It's mandatory. It's mandatory to turn on your camera. Only if you are doing your phone, maybe you're going to find this kind of problem with the phone at the moment to share the activity. Please, if you don't have any problem, turn on your camera, please. Okay, in 1 minute the time is over. Please remember. The third activity is available 5 minutes more. The first and the second over in 1 minute. The third is available 5 minutes more. Have you finished? Yeah. The 3 activities.
Yes, Mr.
Excelente. Chicos, nos vamos a receso. Por favor, apaguen sus cámaras y micrófonos. Como les dije, quedan unos minutitos para la tercera actividad, que es muy facilita. Y regresamos 11:15. Así que levántense los que terminaron. A cup of coffee and a little rest. See you. Camera off, please. Camera off, please. Thank you. Thank you. See you. Hello, hello. Okay. Please, everybody answer the list. Ibarra. Bamonde.
Present.
More. Okay, one more time. Reyes. Martillo.
Present.
Okay. Holguín.
Present.
Robalino.
Present, teacher.
Kisingo.
Present.
Romero. Romero is accent. Vargas.
Present, Mr.
Okay. Let's go, please. Garofalo.
Present.
Okay. Kichimbo.
Present.
Okay. Zambrano.
Present.
Suárez Kevin.
Present.
Okay. Pesante Cristel. Manrique Leslie.
Present.
Santos Marino.
Present, Mr.
Álvarez Matías. Atariwana Michael.
Hi, Mr.
Okay. Mónica Fuentes.
Present.
Okay. Tutibén Natalie.
Present.
Ronquillo Salomé.
Sorry, present.
Okay. Belvenir.
Present, Mr.
Okay. Silvia Ponce.
Present.
Valarizo María Alejandra.
Present.
Okay, quickly guys, please remember you need to be on time because actually we have another activity. Ibarra,
Present.
please. Reyes,
Present.
okay. Eli Romero. No.
Present.
Please your camera, please turn on your camera. Matias Álvarez. Matías Álvarez. Okay, Axel.
Ya voy a...
Daniel, you say something? No? Okay, listen now. Have a look, guys, please. Have a look. Please, I'm sharing my screen. Can you see? Can you see the information? No, not yet?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Listen to me. Before continue with the second part about numbers, there is an activity, this activity. So what do you have to do? Draw. For example, you say Monterrey. What's your name? Pedro Guzman. Monterrey. What is the question for places? Oh, where or where? So you say, where are you from? Or where's Monterrey? So you need to identify. Got it? Identify and draw the correct WH in the information. The next activity, no now, at the end is about this. But in this moment, it's available, this activity. Please, you have 6 minutes. Empiecen, por favor. Está habilitada, refresque la página. Es una actividad cortita, pero debemos culminarla para ya irnos a la siguiente parte. ¿Está habilitada, por favor? Ya está habilitada, refresque la página. It's available for you. Hello, somebody help me. It's available. Sylvia. Oh, Diego, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Chicos, a medida que van terminando un live para ver cuántos quedan. ¿Sí? O ya terminó, creo que la actividad. Ok.
Mister, solo es una, ¿verdad?
Yeah. ¿Alguien hizo una pregunta?
Solo es una actividad.
Dígame. Sí. Ah,
Ok.
es solo una. Sí, correcto. Solo una que quedó pendiente, nada más. Ok. Diego, al final te quedas para hacerte esa breve explicación, pero aquí no porque tengo que continuar la clase, ¿ya? Tranquilo.
No.
¿Listo? ¿Alguien tiene una consulta porque ya va a acabar el tiempo? Me imagino que ya todos terminaron, era súper que fácil. Ok. ¿Quién aún está en la actividad? Sino para seguir avanzando. ¿Quién está en la actividad todavía? Eide, Kenia, Leslie, Kevin. ¿Ya terminaron? Sí, perfecto. Entonces continuamos, por favor, para ganarle tiempo al tiempo. Ok, guys, thank you so much. Ok. Perdón. Vamos. Ok, I'm sharing. Let's go. Okay. Well, actually, let me change. Okay. To refresh something that maybe
¿Tengo que?
you're confused.
Sí,
Listen up.
hasta la 1.
Hello, please,
Ah.
microphone. Your microphone,
Ah.
please. Okay, listen. Remember, our class for today was about the use of WA question. Yes, so actually I explained the use of the who, about where, about when, what, and I include at the end, we refresh the use about how are you? When you ask for feeling, and you say, who are you? You ask for name, right? Actually, you know how to pronounce at and .com, at and .com. And the final WA question that we used before was, how old are you? This kind of question is related about age. That means it's not difficult to understand. So how old are you? I am 22 years old, or I am 22. Both are covered, right? Okay, but before us this, that's me after this, so we are going to continue working about the vocabularies related, about, wait a minute, about the numbers, right? About the numbers. Okay, have a look to this one. This is, wait. Oh, okay. Listen up the numbers. Listen up the numbers. Okay.
1.64. 1.
Excuse me, guy. This activity is about the numbers. Is available for you? This one. Practice saying this phone number. Listen and check. It's available for you. Can you see?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, excellent.
028 9.
One more time.
1.64. 1. 028 901 80361.
2. 07700 900 649.
3. 0131 496 0638.
Okay, what did you listen in the first number? Listen one more time. Listen one more time.
64. 1. 028 901 80361.
Someone can repeat the number, please. Someone can repeat the number 1. Somebody help me. Can you repeat the number 1?
Or 2, 8, 9, or 1, 8, or 3, 6, 1.
Excellent. Number 2.
2. 07700 900 649.
Okay, if you listen carefully, it doesn't say 00, 0077. So that means this is another 4 that you can pronounce number. This is another 4 that you can use to pronounce number. If you remember my phone number, this is 0999. That's a correct, 8900. This is perfect, right? Okay, volunteers to read the second, please.
Mr. Me.
Go.
O double
Double.
7 double O 9 00 649.
Double. Okay?
Double.
Could you repeat again, Mr. Marino? Please, one more time.
Okay. O double 7 double O 9 00 649.
Excellent. Number 3.
3. 0131 496 0638.
Perfect. Cesar, can you read the number, please? Number 3.
Okay. 0131 496 0638.
Okay, remember 3. That is perfect, Cesar. It's okay. So that means we can say, okay, 0 or O, but in English, it's customary to say O, right? That's just okay. Excuse me, can you read 2 by 2? Yes, you can read 2 by 2, no problem. If you can say, okay, O 28 901 8361. That's okay. This you read 2 by 2, 1 by 1, O, double O. That is perfect, right? Do not confuse. There is not a rule. It's up to you. Okay, numbers, please. Excuse me, do you have any question about the first activities about number?
No, teacher, is clear.
Thank you. Now,
Teacher,
numbers.
question.
Yeah, please.
¿Es W o W?
No, this is double.
W.
Normally, when you start reading, you start learning, you say W, double. Listen carefully, listen carefully.
Thank you, teacher.
Listen up.
1.64. 0361.
2. 07700.
What do you listen? What do you listen? What you hear?
W. W.
Double. Why? Why you say, but Mr. is confused because actually I learned in high school that when the teacher say W. No, W is this. Do not confuse. W is this. Is a consonant. W. Double. You know what is the difference? Yeah?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Numbers.
1.65. Numbers and days. 3. 11 to 20. A. 11. 12. 13. 14.
18,
15.
16, 17,
16.
15, 16,
17.
18,
18.
18,
19.
20,
20.
11,
Okay, have a look. Are you ready?
20.
You ready? Have a look, please, because I'm going to give you a specific clue at the moment to pronounce number from 11 to 20, right? Okay, look at me. This is about numbers, right? This is about numbers. You got it, 11 from 20. Okay. Please, you know this number is, what is this number is?
11.
11. That's correct. I am not going to write the number. I'm not going to write the number. What is the next?
12.
Okay,
12.
remember, this is 12. 12. 12. You got it? 12. What about this number?
13.
Yeah,
13.
exactly. You say third. Exactly. Pay attention. The next one, what is the next?
14.
4. Yeah.
15.
In this case, what is the number?
15.
Uh-huh. Okay, have a look. So you can read 11, 12, but this number, what is this number? For example, let's say this one.
18. 18.
You say 18, that's correct? Okay. Look at me. In English, from number 13, this, the intonation is on the word teen. I mean, you don't say 13. No, this is incorrect. The accent, the stressed syllable, is in teen. Got it? Teen. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay, so how do you pronounce? How do you pronounce? Wait. Wait a minute. Okay, how do you pronounce? Okay, how do you pronounce? You say 13, 14, 16, 18. But this pronunciation is until number 19. Exactly. So you don't forget. So you need to accent, or the stress syllable is on the word teen, because this number that is 20, it doesn't sound different. Remember, so you can say, okay, 11, 12, 20, but from 13 to 19, the accent is on teen. 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, remember, so from 13 to 19, the accent is on teen. How do you pronounce this?
14.
14.
Excellent. How do you pronounce this?
16.
16.
How do you pronounce this?
17.
17.
17.
No. You say 17. No. 17, 17, 18, 19. It's not difficult. One more time, please. Let's go. Let's go. 11.
11.
¿Dónde está el cursor, por favor?
12.
12.
13.
13. 14.
14. 15.
17.
17. 18.
19. 20.
Exactly. Remember, guys, this is not, don't separate the syllables. Link the syllable, link the sounds. I mean, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Así quiero que me los lean, por favor. 1, 2, 3. Start. 11.
11, 12,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay. One more time. One more time. 11.
11, 12, 13,
13, 14, 15,
16, 17,
17, 18, 19, 20.
Excellent. Remember how important is to pronounce the number correctly. Because you are going, for example, you are studying business administration. You want to be a lawyer. So that's mean in English. Current day is mandatory to speak a second language. If you are learning English, learn well. Remember, this is mandatory. Hey, excuse me, do you have $16? Do you have 16 student book? Do you have 16? Oh, have you traveled to 16 country? You got it? So this is important to pronounce correctly. Let's go. Next one. The following one is about the number from, I'm sorry, wait a minute. From 21 to 100.
1.66. Numbers and days. 3. 21 to 100. C. 21.
22,
30,
33,
Remember, it's 30, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Is it clear? 30,
40,
what is the difference, mister? I heard that people say 40 and some people say 40. What do you listen? 40 or 40?
40.
40.
40? Okay, that's because it's British pronunciation. 40 is American pronunciation. You got it? Do not confuse.
44,
50,
60,
55,
60,
66,
70,
77,
80,
88,
90,
99,
100,
100. Okay, have a look. What is the difference? What is the difference at the moment to use number? From number 2, look at me. From number 11 to 20, that's no problem. But what about when you reference about 20 to 100, right? Okay, have a look. This is 20, 20, 20. What about this number? What is this number?
21.
21.
This is 20 hyphen 1. Got it? 20. At the moment to write hyphen. No, it's necessary to say, mister, it's 20 hyphen 1. Never. It's only 21. But for writing, the hyphen is necessary. What about this one?
22.
That's correct. Okay, that says 22. What about this one?
30. 30.
30,
30.
30, 30, 30. If I say, for example, this one, what's the correct?
32.
30,
32.
32, that's correct. Okay, if I say this one, what's the correct?
40. 40.
Take care at the moments to write because 40 is different when you say 14. 14 is different to say 40. 40. If I say this one, what's the correct?
44. 44.
44, that's correct. If I say this one, what's the correct?
50.
Exactly, 60. If I say this correct, what's the correct?
56.
56, that's correct. If I say this, what's the correct?
60.
You say 60. If I say this one, what about this?
68.
That's correct, 68. If I say this, what's the correct?
70.
70.
70, 70. Remember, no 17, 70. That is a difference if you say, excuse me, read this number. Oh, Leslie, read the number. Read this number. What is this number, Leslie? Manrique.
17.
That's right, 17. And this one, what's the correct?
17.
It sounds similar. 17, 70. You got it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that's me. If I say 70, what is this?
79.
Excellent. If I say this one, what is this?
80.
80.
80. 80. 80. If I say, for example, this, what's the correct?
83.
80?
3.
3.
3. Remember,
83.
3. That's correct. If I say this, what's the correct?
90.
90.
Okay, wait a minute. If I say this is 90. You don't say 90. No, it's 90. 90. If you say, for example, okay, 91, 92, that's okay. What about this? Oh. What about this? How do you pronounce? This is
100. 100.
100. 100. Yes, 100. Do not confuse 100. That is difficult? Not difficult. It's easy? Yeah. It's a piece of cake. Just you need to practice in your student book, in your workbook, in order to complete. What about you? How you need to write them. Okay. Let's go. Word stress. Remember, 30, 13. That is what I said. You say 30, 13. You say 40. You say 14. Is it clear? Hello? Yeah?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Excellent. Listen the difference between the numbers.
1.68. 1. A.
13.
B.
30.
Practíquelos.
A. 14. B. 40. 3. A.
15.
B.
50.
4. A. 16. B. 60. 5. A.
17.
B.
70.
6. A. 18. B. 80. 7. A.
19.
B.
90.
Okay. To complete or to finish this activity, guys, tell me, if I say this, what is this number?
24.
24.
Let's go. One more time.
24.
24. If I say this, what's this number?
Or 7.
07. If I say this number, 2 by 2.
19.
Yeah.
1985.
You know the difference? If you say this,
1000.
you say 19. No. Look at me. That's correct. If you say 1985 is correct. But at the moment to renumber, include when you say, hey, when were you born? Oh, I was born in 1971. I was born in 2008. You got it. So that's me read 2 by 2. That's the best. Okay, if you say 1985, this is perfect. What about this number?
1995.
95.
Los que practican se les está haciendo facilito. Por favor, deben practicarlo. Si no practican conmigo, es complicadísimo al final poder, porque al final imagínense que alguien le diga a ustedes, okay, tell me please, okay, read the following numbers, okay, this is this. You are going to say 2014, this is correct. And 2 by 2, 2014. 1 by 1, 2014. Are you ready? Let's go and read the following number. What's the correct?
1991.
This is 1-4.
91.
Second 4.
1991.
Yeah, this is the first. The second option.
1919.
Okay, speak aloud, speak aloud.
181.
Okay, 1 by 1 is another option. Another.
1991.
900. Yeah, this is okay, but actually we are learning, or you are learning how to read the numbers 2 by 2, 1 by 1. But remember, exists some way that when you can double the number, when the number is double, you can read.
1991.
Exactly. Exactly. That is what I say. That's correct? That's correct? Okay. Okay, I say we are almost finished this one. Okay, this writing is after the quiz time. With this one, we finish almost this activity, but not right now. O prefieren, vamos a hacer algo. Vamos a terminar las actividades de acá arriba, que son chiquitas. Prácticamente son estas que están acá. Observen. This is the first one that you are going to do is this. So you are going to listen according to the number. Oh, it's 09013 990. So you listen and complete. Easy. The next you have to listen and write the number. 22, 98, for example. The next one, you have to draw the number where you listen. What is the number 1? Number 1 is 70. Oh, you draw number 70, number 1. That's okay? It's clear, right? Actually, it's easy. The next activity is about this. They say, listen, and you are going to identify what kind of question. What is the question number 1? Oh, how old are you? Oh, this is number 1, for example. That's it clear? Okay, very good. And the next one, another listening. So why we are practicing listening? Because you need to improve your listening. You got it. Your listening is important to improve. Listen and write the number you answer. Oh, what do you see here? This is what kind of information you are going to complete in number 1? Hello. For example,
What
is
is
this
your
item?
number?
Exactly. That's a telephone number. That's a telephone number. What about the second information? Okay, let me explain something. Look at me. If you say, what's your address? You say, what's your address? What's your address? I forgot to explain this one. I forgot, I'm so sorry. What's your address? You say, oh, I live, yes, I mean on 9th Street. If you look carefully, 9th Street, capital letter. Or you say, I live on Manabi Street. Manabi, capital letter. If you say, oh, I live on Pichincha Street, and Pichincha Street and Córdoba. Okay, Córdoba. What about in this case? If you say this Córdoba, pay attention. Wait a minute, Córdoba is correct, excuse me. Córdoba is correct, right? Or in, oh, sorry, Córdoba, Córdoba. I live on Pichincha. In this case, it's not necessary to repeat the word street. Just ST. I live on Pichincha Street is acron ST and Córdoba. But if you are going to mention two street, the street word is at the end. You got it. Or street. I live on Pichincha and Córdoba Street. That's correct? That's clear? When you use name of a street, capital letter. Name of a street, capital letter. You got it. That's not difficult. When you ask you about your address, do not confuse if you say what's your email address. If you say email address is different. Oh, it's ianrocas@outlook.com. That's it clear? Do not confuse. That's your email. Okay. In the same activity, you say King Street. King Street. If you will say write the whole word, just write street. Don't use the contraction. Use long form. Age. You need to identify the age and write. How old is the person? 31, 22, etc. The following, number 4, refer for email address or address. What is this?
Email address.
Exactly, email address. Okay. Excuse me, ¿es clear? Ok, vamos a la actividad.
Yes, teacher.
Tan facilitas. La mayoría son de audio. Por eso no quiero que hagan preguntas. En este caso, perdón que lo hable en español, no abran el micrófono, para que todos puedan estar concentrados en su audio. Yo no voy a abrir mi micrófono durante el lapso que habilite las lecciones. Ok, thank you. Vamos a habilitarlas. Estaba revisando las lecciones y veo que la mayoría está súper que bien. La mayoría. Espero que sigan así. Ok. Vámonos a la siguiente, por favor.
Mr. In total have 5 activities.
Excuse me. Kenya.
We have 5 activities.
Yeah. You have the second project. At the end of the class, I'm going to tell you about the project. No problem. Do not confuse. Okay. Thank you. Wait a minute. I'm going. Oh, pardon. Sorry. My microphone is open. Okay.
Mister, mil disculpas.
I'm sorry. Okay, excuse me, do you have a question? Yeah?
Sí, mister, no me salen las. Ya refresqué, no me salen los.
No,
No
no,
las he abierto
no.
todavía. Ah, no las he abierto todavía.
Settle down. The first activity is available right now. Refresh. Everybody please refresh and tell me it's available. Yeah, excellent. My microphone is off. Please, everybody, don't ask questions, please. It's time for quizzes. Okay, guys, all the activities are available for you. Please refresh and you are going to find. Okay, thank you. Hello, have you finished? Not yet?
I finish.
Oh, great, great. And the rest, not yet?
Silent, please.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sorry. Thank you. Okay. 1 minute and time's over, please. Okay, time's up, time's up, time's up. Okay, tell me, have you finished? Yeah, excellent, congratulations. Well, all the activities were really easy. I guess it was a piece of cake for you, right? They were a piece of cake for you. Okay, look at me and have a look to the following information in order to complete the activity. Well, in your workbook about workbook 2B that you are going to, it's available in this moment, so that means you are going to complete the rest of the afternoon. Well, I'm going to wait for you. I'm going to wait for your workbook 2A and 2B until tomorrow, right? Until tomorrow, no until today, until tomorrow. Okay, and before us this guy, in your workbook, you are going to find some titles at the moment to refer to a person. I almost forgot that information. That is the reason why I'm going to explain this. For example, if you say, for example, I heard when you say Mr. Jimmy, Mr. Jimmy, okay. Or you say, good morning, Mr. Jimmy. Morning, Mr. Jimmy. Well, actually, when you use title sounds or are useful for last name, no name. So that's me. What's the correct? Good morning, Mr.
Rodríguez.
Rodriguez. That's correct. So when you use title, use for last name, no for name. So that's me. If you say, good morning, for example, Mr. Olguin, is this correct or incorrect?
Correct.
It's correct.
It's correct. Good morning, Mr. Danny. Is correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Exactly. Remember, so you use title for last name. It's customary, right? Okay, what about this? But you use Mr., pay attention, you use Mr. when you refer for male, when someone for men, for adult people. You got it. For adult people, you say Mr. Rodriguez, Mr. Olguin, Mr. Romero. But what about when you are single? Oh, easy. You call her Miss. I can say too. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Miss Manrique. Remember to use with last name, capital letter. Good afternoon, Miss Manrique. Good afternoon, Miss Manrique. Good afternoon, Miss. I'm sorry, wait, I correct this one. If I say good afternoon, Miss, I'm so sorry. Good afternoon, Miss Rodriguez. When you call me to me, I using the right title for myself?
No, it's incorrect.
Exactly. What's the correct call for me? Because I'm a man. I'm an adult man.
Mister.
Thank you. For Miss Manrique. Good afternoon, Miss Manrique. Is correct or incorrect?
It's correct.
Exactly, because actually I use Miss because I suppose, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, I suppose, Leslie, Are you married or single? Leslie Manrique, are you married or single? Listen up. Do you remember my question when I say? Yeah. Are you married or single?
Married.
Are you married? You have husband?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I say Miss. In this case, it's incorrect because actually Miss Manrique is not single. It's married. Got it? Is married. So the correct title for her is not this. In this case, I have to call her Mrs. Mrs. Why? I use Mrs. and Miss Manrique because she's married. So remember, don't use Miss when the person is married. Okay, excuse me, Miss Manrique. So, but imagine, sorry, the period, imagine. I didn't know exactly the marital status of Miss Manrique. And I am not confident with her. So that means in this moment, if you're not confident with the person that you're talking to, and you don't know if the person is married or single, use Miss. I say, good evening, Miss Manrique. Why I use MS with the sound mess? Because I don't know. I don't know. You don't know if the person is married or single. Remember, you don't know. When you don't know if the person is married or single, remember, don't say Mrs., don't say Miss. Use only Miss. Good evening, Miss Manrique. When I say Miss, because I don't know if the person is married or single. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
It's clear, Mr.
It's clear.
Yes,
It's clear.
Good. Okay. What about Miss? Okay, so that's mean I say, Nayeli, are you married or single?
Single.
I'm single.
I'm single.
I'm single. Nayeli, are you single or married?
I'm single.
Oh, that's mean Nayeli is single. I say, good. Good night. Good night. I'm sorry, capital letter. Miss, I'm sorry, Nayeli. Okay, somebody tell me, I used correctly the title for Miss Nayeli?
No.
Why not?
Mi nombre. O sea,
No,
lo de
no.
ahí.
No, don't speak Spanish. Remember, we are in English. You can do it. You can do it. Why not?
Excuse me?
Why not? What is incorrect?
Because Miss is only for married and is single.
Yeah, but I miss is correct. But the name is incorrect.
The last name.
The last name you want put in capital letter.
Exactly. Excuse me, Scarlett, can you ask her what is her last name? Because I don't remember who's she, sorry.
My last name?
No, Scarlett, ask the question for your partner because I forgot it.
Is Nayeli, right?
Yeah, but I don't say, yeah, Nayeli.
Nayeli, what is your last name?
What?
What is your last name?
El nombre, Nayeli. What's the...
Last name.
My name is Nayeli.
Nayeli is your
No,
name.
your
Your
last name.
Ah, no me gusta el otro.
Your last name.
Okay, okay. No, relax, relax, relax. Okay, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Pay attention. I say, Jimmy, I'm so sorry. No capital letter, Mr. Rodriguez. Jimmy, this is my first name. Presten atención. Enrique is my middle name. Rodriguez is my last name. Castro is my middle last name. That's it clear? This Rodriguez can be called in English. You can say your last name, or you can ask for surname. That's it clear? So if you want to know about the last name, what's your, Salome, what's your surname?
It's Ronquillo.
Good. Kevin, what's your surname? Kevin Suarez, please, what's your surname?
Disculpe, Mitchell, estaba distraído un poco, no entendí.
I noticed, okay. Cody, what's your surname?
It's Reyes.
It's Reyes, X. Oh, Cesar, what's your last name?
It's Bamonde.
And what's your middle name?
Xavier. Javier.
Oh, okay. Look at me. Remember, when you ask for last name, you can say two surname. That's it clear?
Okay.
Lo dejo para que ustedes lo puedan visualizar, ¿les parece? Lo dejo aquí en el Word.
Yes, teacher, please.
No hay problema, no hay problema. Ok. Entonces, let's go. Remember, Jimmy, my first name. Enrique, my middle name. Rodriguez, last name or surname. And Castro, my middle last name or my middle surname. That's it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Look at me. Okay, I'm sorry. Scarlett asked the question again to her. Actually, it's clear for her.
Okay. Nayeli, what is your last name?
Last name is Vargas.
Okay. Nayeli, remember what I said. Never reply information from the question. It's no good idea. What does mean? If I ask you, what's your name? Oh, what's your name? What's what? No, it's a single, directly. What's your name? I'm Jimmy. What's your last name? It's Rodriguez. You know what I mean? If you speak in this way, you'll sound like a Native American speaker. But if you reply information from the question, you are going to find some problem because people from the United States, from England, or any other country where they speak English, they are fine. Oh my goodness, he's Latin. He's someone that is learning English. No, remember, you must speak in this way. What's your name? What's your name? Jimmy. I'm Jimmy. All right? Remember, this is my suggestion, guys. Is it clear? Hello? Yeah, very good, very good. Okay. Remember, titles are very important. When you use Miss, when the person is, when you use Miss,
Single.
when the person is,
Single.
exactly. So you use this when the person is single. Remember, single. When you use Miss Enrique, Miss Rodriguez, Miss Reyes, whatever, When you use this,
When do you know married or single?
you don't know. If you are not sure about the person that you're talking to, oh, I don't know, what is the title that can I use it with this? With Miss Ronquillo. I don't know, I'm confused because actually, I don't know. Is she married or single? Oh, you see? Excuse me, Miss Ronquillo, Mr. Rodriguez, and Miss, no Miss. Oh, I'm sorry. Practice, Miss Salome. Are you ready? Yeah. Remember, sometimes people misinterpret the information at the moment to use the title. Okay, so I'm explaining the class and I'm giving some information and I say, okay, Miss Ronquillo, please, could you help me? Miss Ronquillo.
I don't know.
Yeah,
What?
yeah. Okay, remember, so when you use this in order to correct, oh, Mister, I'm sorry, I'm a Miss Ronquillo, I'm Miss Ronquillo, I'm single. I'm single. Got it? Okay, excuse me, Mrs. Remember, repeat after me. Mr.
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 Mrs.
Mrs.
Mrs. When you use Miss, when the person is married. Miss, what's the correct Miss?
Miss.
When the person, you don't know if the person is married or single. Miss,
Miss.
when the
And the
person
person
is
is single.
Mhm. Okay, let's go for the second and the last part about this review. This is about email address. Well, do you remember when you say Mr.? How do you say guión bajo? How do you say guión? How do you say punto? Well, remember what I said. For example, I say my email address is Gian Rocas. Gian Rocas, this is, what is this? What is this? Please, what is this? What is it? Hyphen. Remember, this is hyphen. Hyphen. Repeat, hyphen.
Hyphen.
Okay,
Hyphen.
good. So what's the correct, Gian Rocas?
Hyphen.
Hyphen.
Hyphen. At Outlook.
Outlook.
.com.
.com. Gian Rocas -05 outlook.com. Remember, if you travel to the United States and you are going to check in, remember they are going to ask for an email address. That is important to read correctly. Hey, what's your email address? Excuse me, this is Gian Rocas -05 outlook.com. Anaí, could you read it, please?
Yes.
The same one. Gian Rocas.
Yeah.
Wait, please. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We have a conversation. We have a conversation. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Excuse me. Okay, please, can you provide me an email address?
Yeah.
Please.
Rocas -05 @outlook.com.
.com. Good, very good. And what about if you say this? Pay attention. If you say another student, Gian Rocas, okay, and this is S, and this is com. What's the correct about this? Remember, the first one is hyphen. When you say this, the following one is underscore. That's the correct, underscore. That is the correct when you refer for the. Do not confuse. This is hyphen and the other one is underscore. Excuse me, is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's go. Wait a minute. Se activó, se activó, se activó. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, no problem. Let's go one more time. I'm gonna help. Somebody help me, what's the correct? Oh, the same one, okay. It's because actually I'm getting this. Okay, somebody help me. What's the correct? Okay, somebody help me, what is this? Somebody read the second.
Jim Rocas _5 @outlook.com.
Excellent. And what about this is for Marino? If you say Gianrocas, pay attention. Gianrocas, this, 05 at outlook.com. Please, Marino, can you read it?
Yes. John Rocas, period 05 @outlook.com.
Yeah, this is period. But when you use the period, when it's before the at. When it's before the at, you say period. When the period is after or before the comma, this is dot. That's it clear? Hello.
No,
It's
teacher.
clear.
Can you repeat?
Of course. That's okay, no problem. Let me help you. Okay, to be clear. Look at me. Let me find out somebody mail in the next page. Okay, okay, look at me, it's much better. Okay, wait a minute. I need it. Look. Let me use this in color red. No, this is impossible to read. Okay, I'm going to read. When you find, for example, if you notice, this is hyphen. That's correct? The following one is, like you say, guión bajo. This is underscore. And this is for period. When you find this, it's easy. You say hyphen 05, and this is underscore 05. But what about the period? Before the at is period. Remember, before the at is period. This period after the at is dot. Remember, this is dot. Before period. Is clear? Is clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
Remember, that when you want to pronounce this before at is period. If you want to pronounce this after at, this is dot. Okay. Excuse me, that's clear because actually we have only 12 minutes. Right? Okay, so we are going to finish this one. Complete these activities, and with this one, we are going to finish. And at the end, I'm going to explain about the second project in Flickr. Okay, look at me. Complete the form in order to identify what are the possible WH in order to complete. For example, look at the form and match its part with a question. For example, are you married? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or number 8?
Number 3.
Number 3.
Exactly, because actually I'm asking for marital status, like married, single, divorced, separate. Got it? And letter B, you say, what's your home phone number? A. When you say home phone number, you are looking for the cell phone?
No.
You are looking for regular. The regular phone number. Remember, what is a regular phone number? This one that in our country, we 04. Do you remember? We use 04. Remember, this is the regular phone, the phone number. Is it clear? This is regular phone number. This is cell phone number. Okay. What's your home phone number? What's your home phone number? What is the information that you require to apply this question?
Number 7. Number 7.
7? Yeah, home. Very good. What's your postcode?
Number 5.
Number 5.
Postcode. Remember, what is the postcode? Remember, in our country, we have difference. Well, for our country is 593. Remember, for our country, the postcode is 593. 593. This is the postcode. There you introduce the phone number when you need to apply. Okay, this. How old are you? What number is this?
2.
Number 2.
Exactly. It's about the age. What's your email?
Number 6.
Number?
6.
6. What's your name?
Number 1.
Number 1.
What's your mobile number? I'm sorry, what's your name, number 1? What's your mobile number?
Number 8.
Number 8.
And what's your address?
Number 4.
Number 4.
4.
When you introduce address and you introduce Nails Street, you're going to start with a small word or capital letter?
Capital letter.
Capital letter.
Great. You pay attention to this. Okay, remember, Mr. is for a man. MS, miss, for a woman that you don't know if the person is married or single. Mister, I can use miss for a man? No. Because I don't know if the man is married or single. No. Remember, for men, adult person, Mister, all the time. It doesn't matter if the man is married or single. The title is this. You say capital letter. Remember, for Nails Street, use capital letter. No small word. Include a street is with capital letter. London, you know country, capital letter, right? Okay, listen up, please. To complete or to finish our unit number 2, we are going to practice this activity.
1 point.
Excuse me, can you hear?
No, teacher.
How do you
yeah.
spell?
Okay, listen up.
1.71. 1. What's your name? How do you spell it? 2. What's your address? 3. What's your postcode?
Guys, do not confuse at the moment to when somebody asks you, hey, what's your postcode? The postcode refers about the city where you live. or the country where you live. You need to pay attention. What is your country postcode? What is your city town postcode? That's a difference. Remember, they are different.
Four. How old are you? 5. Are you married? 6. What's your phone number? 7. What's your email?
Okay, why I show you this activity? Because the third project in Fig League, that means is impaired. It's impaired. Remember, so the activity, Fig League, the third activity is impaired. So that means we are going to use another tool in order to record the conversation impaired. Pay attention, please, remember. Okay, guys, the final explanation is about how do you spell. It's important to do this. When somebody asks you, how do you spell? No spell. Do not confuse. Spell is different. Spell is when you have something, for example, in this case, I got waters in my glass, and out for accident, maybe I turn off and I spill the juice or the waters on my shirt. That means this is a spill. But in this case, when you say this is spell, how do you spell your last name? How do you spell your last name? It's easy. You say X, R, O, R, O, D, R, I, G, U, E, Z. That is a spell. When you mention letter by letter. How do you spell your last name, Mr. Rodriguez? X, R, is R-O-D-R-I-G-U-E-Z, Rodriguez. And how do you spell your name? Oh, J-I-N-N-Y. Remember, how do you spell your name? This is J-I-N-N-Y. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Excuse me?
Yes, teacher.
Ok, vamos a ver si estuvieron atentos. Oh, I'm sorry. Who said this, Mary? Oh, Sylvia. Your turn. Are you ready? Yeah?
Yeah.
Sylvia, how do you spell your last name?
P-O-N-C-E.
Okay, but remember, you need to speak your plans. Oh, it's P-O-N-C-E. It's P-O-N-C-E. So that means this is something like you keep in your mind. Okay? Sylvia, thank you. Salome, how do you spell your last name?
It's R-O-N-Q-U-I-L-L-O.
And what do you say if you say R-O-N-Q-U-I-L-L-O? This is better.
Yeah, so
Could you
much
repeat
better.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's R-O-N-Q-U-I-L-L-O.
Great. Scarlett, how do you spell your name?
Is S-C-I-R-R-L-E-T.
Exile. Exile. You say I.
A.
A. The alphabet to provide. Or when somebody asks for spell, it's important to know the alphabet. Kenya, how do you spell your teacher's last name?
Is R-O-D-R is R-O-D-R-E-G-U-A-C.
Rodriguez.
Good.
You say A.
Again. Sorry, again. R. I don't think is RODREGUEZ.
Okay. Oh my goodness, Kerly, how do you spell pen? How do you spell pen? Pen. You used to write.
Excuse me, teacher.
How do you spell pen? Pen. It's something that you used to write on your notebook, your book.
Pen, mister.
Yeah.
Pen, E-N.
P-E-N. P-E-N.
E-N.
P-E-N. Okay. Relax. For the next time, remember, there is another homework. That's me. You. Oh, that's okay, Nayeli. That's okay. For the next class, please remember, you have to spell your name and your last name. It's something that you need to keep in your mind. This is a lesson. That's okay? Okay, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate for your times. I hope this class, well, you really learn a lot of put in practice in your activities in the future, especially for workbook, because you have to complete a workbook to be this activity is available until tomorrow night, remember. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording, please. I'm sorry. And there is an activity, the second project on Flipgrid, right? Okay, don't forget, read instruction and apply. This is available until the next Friday. Okay, I'm going to stop recording. Please say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Say
Okay.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Mister.
Yeah.
Goodbye, mister.